Do you think you're ready to switch to electric, but unsure if you'll maximise the vehicle's true potential in your day-to-day running? Well, the EQ Ready app will give you honest feedback, so let's take a look at how it could benefit you. Simply head to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and download the Mercedes-Benz EQ Ready app. Once you've done that, you're good to go. The app will sit in the background of your phone. You'll not need to open it up before starting a journey. It will also sense you're in your van and understand the routes you are taking. It will analyse how you drive, the routes you take, and at the end of a 7-day period will give you an honest assessment if you're actually E-ready. We know that some of you may feel you aren't at the point of switching from diesel to electric, but the EQ Ready app will certainly help towards making the correct decision for you and your business.